All right, there's a beautiful learning I received through a dynamic your story reminds me of. All the energy of life is like a weather pattern, and it simply has to peak and trough, period. We can't be or like, oh, I'm just gonna breathe. I'm going to just live in this coupling of primary and secondary respiration and never have to have these explosive events because I'm going to be doing this gradual thawing all the time. Well, nature is nature, and a sense of how these explosive experiences actually can shift things quite powerfully. I think you named that, right? Things kind of have to come to a head and be kind of a mess and fall apart and then be recreated, reminding me of my own story with my partner where I just thought everything fell apart and it was so intense and I was so disoriented and afraid. And then remembering a teaching I received from another mentor, which was, if it seems really, really horrible, sometimes that's evidence of this thing where it's really, really bad before it's good, right? That peak of awfulness. She actually said to me, if you think it's impossible and it's been broken, it could very well be that. Don't forget that in those moments. But if you do, you'll be reminded because you'll move through it to somewhere new. Similar to my tailbone story. You probably each have a story of your own experience coming through. For information on our trainings, which are open to everyone and offer continuing education credits to providers of all kinds, message us here or visit our courses page on the web at flowismedicine.com. And be sure to follow us on social media.